she was a week out from closing, and she thought her credit score was low, so she went on her Experian app, and she boosted her Experian score, and she lost the house. Well, and you said the word boost, which actually brings me to another point. I had a client a number of years ago, and she was very tight on her ratios, which we know ratios means your income to debt. And she was a week out from closing, and she thought her credit score was low, so she went on her Experian app, and she boosted her Experian score, and she lost the house. So my advice is, I have the 10 commandments of applying for a mortgage, what not to do after you apply for a mortgage. And I think that's number 11 now, because that's something that people focus so much on I don't want to say that your credit score isn't a big thing, but sometimes people get so focused on the small individual things that they don't realize the big picture. Maybe your credit score isn't higher, but that doesn't mean that it's not good. So talk to your lender, talk to your agent.
Talk to a professional.
So don't try and buy a house on your own.
Yeah, my one thing I tell people all the time, listen, you may buy a house, 2-3 times in your lifetime. I do it every single day.
Sure.
Let me and my team help guide you and advise you. Don't do anything unless we talked about it, and whether it's a good idea or a bad idea. So,
The big picture.
Because you don't want to blow up the transaction because of something silly.
We've both seen it happen. So I'm not there to shame somebody. I'm just there to help them understand what the best way is to get to that end goal, as we keep talking about.